Hello guys, today I will show you how to do voice recording on your computer. So basically on your computer you download and install this package, this software called Goldwave. It's a very good tool, it's very easy and very simple. All you need to do is click on new and just say you want to do recording for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour, 24 hours. So let's stick to 2 minutes, and then it keeps the sampling to the at its default, or from here you can select what type of quality you want. So if you want CD quality, then obviously it is as it was before. Click OK, and then you press Ctrl on your keyboard and press record. So now we are recording live on this program. Then you can save this recording as MP3 or WAV file or different format, and then you can save it and share it with your people, or if there are any mistakes you can edit this audio. I will show you how to do editing later on. So let's say when I'm talking I had a bit of cough in between. I only did the coughing because I want to show you how to remove that particular part of the cough while I was doing the recording. So I'm going to stop this part. Now this is the bit recording, so I'm just gonna trim it out. And can you see this part is the coughing part? So if I play this, see that? So I've selected this part. I'm gonna go to edit and cut it out. So it's gone from there now. Let's play it again. When I'm talking, I had a bit of cough in between. I wanted to do the coughing because there we go. Amazing. So when you do the voice recording, this program creates a pattern. It's like a heartbeat pattern, and then any particular part you don't like or you want to get rid of, you can remove it. There are so many different options in this program, but I will teach you as things go along. Thank you for watching guys. Goodbye.